Welcome back to my channel. If you are not able to turn on the Wi-Fi and hotspot together, here is the solution. Let's go to the video. Here you can see the Wi-Fi is turned on, and if you want to turn on the hotspot, it will ask you to turn off the Wi-Fi first. And if the hotspot is turned on and you want to turn on the Wi-Fi, it will ask you to turn off the mobile hotspot first. Do not worry, go to the settings of your mobile phone. Go to the connections. Now go to the mobile hotspot and tethering. Now click on the mobile hotspot. Scroll down. Click on network name. Now click on advanced. Scroll down. Here you can see the option Wi-Fi sharing. Turn it on. Now save. Now here, scroll down. You can turn on the hotspot while Wi-Fi is turned on. You can see I turn on the hotspot. Both Wi-Fi and hotspot are working together. Hopefully you have got the solution. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.